Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix lag in Blox Fruits mobile, especially for Huawei devices in 2025. If you're tired of stuttering gameplay and lag spikes, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open the in-game settings menu. Find the graphics quality option and set it low. This reduces the strain on your devices by lowering the visual rendering quality, resulting in smoother performance. Step 2. Disable unnecessary visual features like show other pets or similar options. Fewer elements on screen equal to less lag. Step 3. Turn off non-essential settings such as notifications, vibrations, and sound effects. These small things can actually impact performance more than you think. Step 4. Look for any reduced effects or low performance mode options in the settings. Enable them. These are designed to lower the device process load and giving you much better gameplay speed. Step 5. If you have a lot of in-game terms or pets, consider transferring some of them to an alternate amount. Reducing the load on your main account can help the game run much more smoothly. And that's it. Those are the best working methods to fix lag in Blox Fruits mobile on Huawei devices in 2025. If this helped you out, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.